Let's go! Riding on my red tractor today. Let's count the animals on the way. Driving my tractor past the green grass. Look at the animal as we pass.
Stop the tractor.
What do we see? One big cow looking at me. One, moo, moo, moo. Driving my tractor down to the lake. Look at the splash that the animals make.
Stop the tractor.
What do we see? Two little ducks swilling so free. One, two, quack, quack, quack.
Driving my tractor by the white fence.
Look at the animals so fluffy and white.
Stop the tractor.
What do we see? Three fluffy sheep jumping with glee. One,
Two,
three, ba, ba, ba. Driving my tractor to the mud puddle. Look at the animals in a messy huddle.
stop the tractor.
What do we see? Four pink pigs as dirty as can be. One,
Two,
three, four.
oink, oink, oink.
Driving my tractor to the red barn door. Look at the animals walking on the floor.
Stop the tractor.
What do we see? Five yellow chickens running to me. One,
Two,
three, four,
five,
clack, clack, clack. One cow,
two ducks,
three sheep,
four pigs.
five chickens. We counted to five. What a great ride!
Beep, beep.
Bye.